विसा उपरांत तुमकां येवकार। भांगरा महोत्सव इश्टागतीच्या फुटबॉल मॅची खातीर गोंय फुटबॉल संघटनेन तयारी सुरू केल्या। 26 तारखेर झांबियाची गोवा 11 वांगडा मॅच जातली, जाल्यार 29 तारखेर झांबियाची भारताच्या पंगडा आड मॅच जातली। दोनूय मॅचींची तिकेट ₹100 थारायल्या, अशें आयोजन समितीचो उपाध्यक्ष एल्विस गोम्सान प्रुडंटाक सांगलें। फातोड्डेच्या नेहरू स्टेडियमार जावपा आशिल्ले हे मॅचीक लोक गर्दी करतले अशी आस्त एल्विसान उक्तायल्या।
आय लिगाच्यो मॅची पळोवपाक नेहरू स्टेडियमाचेर व्हडलेशे फॅन येवंक नात, मात येता ते 26 आनी 29 तारखेर आशिल्ल्या भांगरा उत्सवी मॅचींच्या दबाज्याक खूबशे फॅन येतले अशी आस्त जीएफएक आसा।
There's a lot of excitement on these upcoming matches between Goa and Zambia and then India and Zambia. We expect a good capacity crowd and we have priced the ticket very modestly at ₹100 for both the matches. Okay. Of course, VVIP we are going to charge ₹1,000 and VIP ₹500. But accompanying that will be a lot of snacks and other such items that will be given to the spectators.
Okay. So both the match tickets will be 50 rupees.
₹50, yeah. ₹50 means we are only bringing out one ticket, okay, which is transferable.
फुटबॉल मॅची असताना फॅनांनी खचाखच भरिल्लो स्टेडियम हाली तेंपार पळोवपाकच मेळना।
Also, it's been a long time since a foreign team of this caliber has come into India. Zambia, as you know, is ranked 80th in the world FIFA ranking, and they are very exceptionally good quality players. They have qualified in the African Nations Cup twice and regional twice, I mean to say, and in 2012 also they have qualified. And it's a pretty good team, you know, for action to be seen at the PGN once again.
मात दुःखाची गजाल म्हणल्यार ह्या आय लीग मॅचींचो चालू जावपाचो वेळ सांजो 3:30 आसतलो।
See, football cannot be played in these kind of very extremely hot conditions, tropical conditions. At 3:30 is really unrealistic time, but then we can't be choosers. We just have to live with that.
So this match is also going to be starting at 3:30 like the
This match is going to start at 3:30.
Okay. Administratively, what have you planned in terms of the parking for the match, in terms of that aspect of things?
What we have decided is, you know, it's going to be first come first serve basis. Okay. And those who get in, there are very limited slots for parking. Those who get in first will get it. Likewise, we have made only one ticket for all the stands.
Okay.
So those who come in first will get the sitting arrangement on the west side. Others will have to be content with going on the other stand. See, since we are currently in the I League season, we have a good established network of volunteers, okay, who will be roped in again. By and large, the committee also, organizing committee, has been kept the same.
पणजेच्यान आमचो खेळां खबराकार निखिल परेरा आनी चलचित्र खबराकार सनी नार्वेकार।
आनी इतल्यान हे खबराचित्र हांगा सोंपता। पळयत रावात प्रुडंट मिडिया। नमस्कार।